Going on holiday with your friends is awesome. There's the in-car entertainment. The travel disaster. We're driving up to Hluhluwe and we had 2 gold bags on top of the car. As you can see, there's nothing on the car at the moment. Your bag didn't even get a scratch.
Oh, it landed on your bag.
And sharing great moments together. On this particular trip we saw so many animals. Giraffes, zebra who were play fighting, and then one zebra got caught in the crossfire. Whoa! We saw so many rhino up close, which is an amazing privilege considering how many of them are being poached every year. But then we got to interact with one of my favorite animals, the elephant. These creatures are just so huge and majestic, and they just seem so intelligent, and it was just such an amazing experience to stand. We were literally standing right next to the elephant, touching him, feeling under his belly, feeling inside, sticking our hands right inside the elephant's mouth. It was insane.
He's gonna attack you.
It's going to be 40 liters.
And a half.